In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load your website project template inside the Wix editor and add a feedback or survey form to your page using Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure your website project template is already loaded inside the Wix editor. This is important because you want to be working directly inside the correct site design before adding any new elements. Once your project is open, take a moment to look over the page and identify where you want the form to appear. Planning placement first can save you time and help the page feel more organized and intentional. Next, go to the left side of the Wix editor and click on Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks you can insert into your site, including text, images, buttons, decorative sections, and of course forms. After opening that panel, look for the Contact and Forms category and select it. This section contains several built-in form options designed to help visitors interact with your website. From there, choose a feedback form or a survey form template style block. The best option depends on the kind of response you want from your visitors. A feedback form is usually ideal if you want simple comments, opinions, or customer impressions. A survey form can be a better fit if you want to collect more structured responses. As you browse the available styles, pay attention to the overall design so it matches the look and feel of your website template. Once you find the form style you want, drag it onto your canvas or click to place it on the page. Position it in the area you selected earlier and make sure it sits neatly within the layout. Try to leave enough spacing around the form so it does not feel crowded by other elements. Good spacing makes the page easier to read and helps the form stand out clearly to visitors. After placing the form, take a quick visual pass over your page. Make sure the form aligns properly with the rest of your content and looks balanced within the design. Even before making any deeper edits, proper placement can make a big difference in the overall user experience. That's it for this step. You've successfully opened your project in the Wix editor through Chrome, accessed the Add Elements panel, selected Contact and Forms, and placed a feedback or survey form template onto your canvas.